There will be more than 31,000 persons deprived of liberty or PDL who will vote on the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections or BSKE in October 30. In the upcoming Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections or BSKE on October 30, more than 31,000 persons deprived of liberty or PDLs are set to vote. Of these, 29,000 will cast their votes inside detention facilities, while approximately 2,000 PDLs have been permitted to vote outside of jail at designated Commission on Elections or COMELEC polling precincts. The Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BJMP explains that the PDLs who will be voting are individuals who were previously registered voters since 2022 while others registered during the last COMELEC registration period. The BJMP has established a tripartite agreement with the COMELEC and the Public Attorney's Office or PAO to secure court orders allowing PDLs to vote outside of jail.
Ito po ay ang mga may pending cases pa at hindi pa po sila convicted ng final judgment o hindi pa nahahatulan ng final judgment sa kanilang mga kaso. At kaya mayroon pa rin po silang karapatan ng kanilang nabumoto.
The BJMP advises regular voters not to be surprised if they encounter PDLs at the polling precincts during the BSKE.
Sa ating pong mga kababayan na sa darating pong halalan, wag po kayo magtataka kung mayroon pong boboto na mga may escort na PDL. Ito po ay kanilang karapatan at pinayagan po silang bumoto.
They assure the public that they are well prepared for the local elections, having already conducted a dry run to ensure a smooth voting process. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.